Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be drawing a beautiful peacock drawing using vibrant colors. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4 or A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing and have a drawing pad for support. This tutorial is meant to benefit your design study, composition skills. For today's artistry trivia, which Hindu deity is often depicted with a peacock as their vehicle? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Today we will be drawing a vibrant sketch of a peacock sitting on a tree branch. Now let's start with our sketch. Start with drawing a curve for the neck and then attach a circle to it for the head. Use basic shape in the first part of our drawing so later we can add details. After that, start with drawing in the beautiful feathers which make peacocks so pleasing to look at. Take your time while drawing the feathers. Next, we will draw the eyes and the feathers over the head. Now draw another outline inside the feathers. If you observe closely, the peacock is an elegant bird, so we are drawing the lines curvy as to generate the feeling of elegance. Next, draw the tree branch on which our peacock is sitting. And finish the sketch off by drawing a cloud over its head and some leaves around him. Great job with completing the sketch. Now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a sketch of a blissful peacock sitting on a branch. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question, Lord Kartikeya, the brother of Lord Ganesh, has peacock as his vehicle. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.